Aloha from the sunny side of my imagination. In this video, we're going to talk about how to transport your readers from one setting to another. So you can take them from a beautiful, warm, sunny beach to a freezing cold forest. Stick around and find out how. Ooh. Hi, it's Tuesday, time for another Prompt My Story video where I offer up writing tips to help students become better writers, and I spark their imagination with a video prompt to get them writing their own stories. Before I get to the tip and the prompt today, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers who have tuned in to my channel and have enjoyed my videos. If you haven't had a chance to click like or subscribe, please do that now because it really helps me out with this channel. Now on to today's writing tip, and it's all about setting, the place, where the story happens. You want to be able to take your reader in a way that they sort of leave the book or the story and they find themselves in the world, the setting that you've created. Oftentimes people ask me, how on earth do you do that? Well, it's very simple. Be specific. Think about at least 3 cool, clear, unique details that conjure up an image in the mind of the reader of the place you're writing about. Don't go for boring and simple details. Go for something that creates a word picture in the mind of the reader. Take a beach, for example. Don't just say you're on a sandy beach. Maybe you're on a deserted beach where a lone seagull is looking for a friend. Or maybe you're on a crowded beach that has more sun umbrellas and sunbathers than sand. You could also bring weather into the whole description and say the ocean waves crashed against the rocky shore as the hurricane built up force and moved inland. When you come up with cool, specific details, it will always create a great picture in the mind of the reader and make us imagine the setting you want us to see. Now you're going to try that little tip out on this week's video prompt. All right, sit back, get ready for this week's story prompt right now. All right, there you have it, your video story prompt. See if you can create a setting and paint a picture in the mind of the reader with that little tip I gave you about describing setting. Because when you can do something like that, you can take the reader from something like this to this. All right, that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you come back next week for another Prompt My Story video. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.